Have you ever wondered what holds the universe together, what keeps your feet on the ground or makes a compass point north? The answer lies in the four fundamental forces of nature. These forces govern everything around us, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. They are the invisible strings that orchestrate the cosmic dance of particles and energy. These forces are gravity, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force. Don't let their names intimidate you. We'll explore each force in simple terms, using everyday examples to understand their profound impact on our universe. Just like a master conductor guides an orchestra, these forces determine how particles interact, combine, and form the amazing diversity of our universe. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of these fundamental forces. Let's start with the most familiar force, gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls everything with mass towards each other. It's what keeps you anchored to the Earth and prevents you from floating away. It's also the force that keeps the Earth orbiting, the Sun and the Moon orbiting the Earth. Think of gravity as an invisible rubber band connecting every object in the universe. The more massive an object, the stronger its gravitational pull. That's why the Sun, being much more massive than the Earth, exerts a stronger gravitational force, keeping our planet in its orbit. Gravity is a force of attraction, always pulling things together. It's a long-range force, meaning it can act over vast distances. Without gravity, stars and planets wouldn't have formed, and the universe would be a very different place. Next, we have electromagnetism, a force that's responsible for a wide range of phenomena we experience daily. Electromagnetism is the force that governs the interaction between electrically charged particles. It's what causes magnets to attract or repel each other, and what allows us to see. Think of electromagnetism as two sides of the same coin: electricity and magnetism. Electricity is the flow of charged particles, like the electrons that power our homes. Magnetism is a force generated by moving electric charges. Electromagnetism is responsible for light, which is actually an electromagnetic wave. It's also the force that holds atoms together, determining the chemical properties of elements. From the functioning of our brains to the technology we rely on, electromagnetism plays a crucial role in our lives. Section 4, the strongest bond, delving into the strong nuclear force. Now let's dive into the nucleus of an atom, where we encounter the strong nuclear force. This force is responsible for holding the nucleus of an atom together. The nucleus contains protons, which have a positive charge, and neutrons, which have no charge. You might think that the positively charged protons would repel each other, causing the nucleus to fly apart. However, the strong nuclear force overcomes this electrostatic repulsion, binding the protons and neutrons together with incredible strength. The strong nuclear force is the strongest of the four fundamental forces, but it acts over extremely short distances, primarily within the nucleus of an atom. Without it, atoms wouldn't exist, and neither would we. Section 5. The architect of change. Understanding the weak nuclear force. Finally, we have the weak nuclear force, which is responsible for certain types of radioactive decay. Radioactive decay is the process by which unstable atomic nuclei lose energy by emitting radiation. This force plays a crucial role in processes like nuclear fission and fusion. While the weak nuclear force is weaker than both the strong nuclear force and electromagnetism, it's still much stronger than gravity at short distances. It's also responsible for the interactions between neutrinos, elusive particles that rarely interact with matter. The weak nuclear force might seem less intuitive than the other forces, but it plays a vital role in the universe's evolution. For instance, it's involved in the nuclear reactions that power the sun, providing us with light and warmth. Section 6, an intertwined existence, the significance of the fundamental forces. These four fundamental forces, though seemingly distinct, are intricately woven into the fabric of our universe. They govern the interactions of matter and energy, shaping the cosmos from the smallest subatomic particles to the largest galactic structures. Gravity, the great attractor, holds planets, stars, and galaxies together. Electromagnetism illuminates our world and powers our technology. The strong nuclear force binds the building blocks of matter, while the weak nuclear force governs radioactive decay and fuels the stars. Understanding these forces is key to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. They are the fundamental principles that underpin our existence, shaping the world around us in countless ways. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we gain a deeper appreciation for the elegance and complexity of these forces that govern our universe.